Well, here I am again with me having to, or needing to, change out and put in new brake hose on the front of the, what is this, Jeep Patriot. There we go. Yes, I gotta put it on the Jeep Patriot. I noticed these hoses weren't looking too good, so I decided to grab some new ones. These weren't that expensive. Who are they from? Well, I'll have that in the description and all that in description for you. I think they're a very good product I bought, so I didn't cheap out on these. But yes, let's hope I can get all this apart though, so that I can get these new brake hoses on. So, first of all, I've got to take off. Let's move the new brake hose out of the way before I break it or something. Let me take off this bracket here. Or, no, let's not take that bracket off first. Let me try to break loose the nut up here. Hopefully you can see that. I'll turn you up here. I was sure you could see it. The nut right here, not a nut, but break this loose so that I can actually get this thing off of here when I need to. Now, I don't want to... Oh, look at that. She turns like nothing. Ah, who knew? Who knew? Huh. Okay, that makes me very happy. I didn't know that was gonna come off that easy. Kind of makes me really happy. So far today is working out for me. Yes, I'm getting close to finishing this Jeep Patriot up more and more. So, and what size was that? That was 1/2 inch. I'm using the pipe fitting wrench. So, not a pipe fitting, but so it grabs it better. I forgot the name of them. Crow's feet? Is that what it's called? The crow's feet? I'm not sure. But I'm happy that came off. Wow, am I happy. That just means this is going to go so much easier now, doesn't it? Well, let me get another 1/2 inch, and then I don't have to work at it with this crow's feet, or claw's feet, something like that. Alright, I got that off. She's off. That came off easy. That was nice. Let me see. This is held on by a clip, usually. And they're usually a pain in the butt to get when they're this old. So, like I said, usually a pain to get when they're this old to get them out. So, I'm going to have to figure something out there to get this thing out of here. Well, I'll figure that out in a minute. Let us deal with these 2 bolts here. And I am going to use the impact on those, so hopefully they will zip right out without any trouble. Thought they would. There's that one. And I gotta get this one. And those are, amazingly, 1/2 inch. So there. Got those. They came out nice. That's actually a good thing. And okay, that's like that. Let me move you back here slightly and aim you down. Let's see here. And I gotta get the one off of here, which is, I believe, a 14. Oh yeah. And yeah, I didn't think that would be too bad either, which it wasn't. That one came off nice. So, I got that one too. Oh, everything's going good right now. With the new hose, it did come with new crush washers for this. So, I can't see if there was any on this one. Oh yeah, there was. It's still kind of stuck on the other one. So I'll have to get it off of here. Now it's been on there for its whole life, so let me just put this back here, and I gotta get now this out, which I gotta try to do. Well, I think I'm making headway. Had some jiggling around here to do, but I think, oh, there we go. She slipped out. And that's all that looks like, just a little clip. So that's out. Now I can get that out. Hopefully I can get that out. All right. Hey, she just pulls out. Okay, that worked for me. She got her all out. She looks good. Okay, well, now we can start putting in the new one. It only goes in one way, it looks like, because at least I think it does. Let's clean this off here. Ah, yeah, she only goes in one way. There we go. And I just need the clip, which I put down here and lost for a second, of course. Okay. Gotta have these clips, you know. Oops, see? Oh, gotta get her in the right way. There we go. And there we go. I'm just gonna give her a tap. There we go. That's all I'm gonna do. Just give her a tap with that. See if this one threads in. Why does this not turn now? Now, let's see why. I guess she turns, it's just she's stiff. Okay. Just a little stiff on there. Hold her down up here. I guess it would help if I turned it the right way. And I do believe she is started. But I need another wrench. I took it back to my toolbox. Okay, let me grab that 1/2 inch again. There we go, I got my 1/2 inch here. So, do this. It's a little quicker than using the claw one. You can just in and out, in and out. But I'll use the claw one to tighten it. I probably don't need it too tight, do I? That's probably good right there. Okay. Now, we gotta get this done. Okay. This goes like this. And remember those bolts here. Yep. That one goes like that. Let's move you out of the way for now. And I don't know what foot pounds you're supposed to put those in. It's probably something not too strong. I'll just tap them in here. Oh, that's in. Not too strong on that, so I didn't want to damage it. And this one. Put this one in. Not too strong on this one either now. That's good for that right now. And this is going to bend down and around like that. But, let me see, let me get you in here on this. But I still have a brass fit or a copper fitting on that one. So I got to get that off. And it's off. There we go. I got that one off. Just had to give her a little nudge. And she went fine. And let me put on the new copper fittings. Oops. And I dropped the... Oops, sorry. I'm always hitting cameras. Always hitting the camera, ain't I? I dropped the stupid bolt in the dirt. I gotta clean that out now. Okay, got her all cleaned out. Okay, she's gonna go like that. So, it's gonna go with a bolt in this side, like that, with a copper there, and one here, and we're gonna turn her around like this, and we're gonna put her in like this. And there's a fitting here where the line can go through, like that. So, and then I'm just going to tighten her until I feel it's tight enough. I really don't know the torque settings, but I've been doing it like this for years, so I'm hoping that will be just fine. Pretty sure it will be. So I'm going to move you back here a little so I can get in there. So, oops, hitting the camera again. That's normal for me. I would say that's good enough. I don't know the foot pounds on that, but that's good enough for what I'm doing. And that is how you put a new brake line on your vehicle, or to make it simple, your Jeep Patriot. Not a hard job, and if you go nice and slow like I did, you won't make any mistakes. All right, thanks for watching.